carry this item?
Item is now being carried.
From a modest workshop in India to classrooms and labs worldwide, the BonicBot A2 has been unveiled as a breakthrough in accessible robotics. The starter DIY kit starts at a mere cost of $775, making it the most affordable robot of its kind. It is fully 3D printed and powered by Robot Operating System 2, giving developers the opportunity and liberty to develop and innovate their own ideas on the robot by themselves. Standing 80 centimeters tall and weighing 6.5 kilograms, it can move from one place to another on its own thanks to its wheels powered by powerful encoder motors. The robot also features a 360-degree rotating LiDAR sensor, a simultaneous localization and mapping technology, Raspberry Pi camera, and provides up to 6 hours of runtime. It also comes with its own Python SDK, which you can use to learn the functionalities of the robot and code on your own, including support such as Jupyter and Blockly, enabling visual coding as well. The kit comes with an additional set of grippers which you can fix onto the arms and can use them to pick and drop objects easily. Furthermore, BonicBot A2 is built mainly for the purpose of education. It is capable of having real-time conversations with humans in over 100 different languages.
Can you carry this item?
Item is now being carried.
Another bonus point is that we can upload books or curriculum, and it can access that information and teach those subjects to students, acting as an aid for teachers. Overall, the BonicBot A2 is definitely the best of its kind at the price that it comes with.